I have made some bad mistakes in my time, but that's the breaks, and I'll bet I've had way more fun than you.
Okay, so a couple weeks ago I broke my only pair of headphones. They should look like this, but you can see this arm is busted. Right here, you can see it better on this one here because it's just out. Maybe it doesn't. But in this area here, there's two screws here, and oh, wait a second, I just noticed the one I repaired is still good. So we need to repair the other side. What I did was I put a wooden shim in this to make up the broken piece that goes across here. And apparently I busted the other side. I never even checked that. So let's make another wooden shim for the other side. Or maybe I might use this piece of steel I got from a windshield wiper insert. Okay, so let's take the other side apart. Okay, so this one isn't as bad as the other one. The other one, actually this one might be worse, broke right across here where the two screws go through, and it's very thin here. This one is broke right along here, and it's still together. It just looks like there's three pieces laminated together here. 1, 2, 3, and one is broken and the other two are still holding, so I'm going to try epoxy on this first. So let's mix up some epoxy. Okay, so I've got the hardener mixed up here. Just put a little on my paddle. And lift this up and then just fill in this crease all the way across here. Try to keep the excess cleaned up best I can. I'm not really worried about that. All I'm worried about is that it sets up good. Shouldn't have to put a clamp or anything on this. It seems like it's holding the shape well enough. I'll just use this cord that comes with it to wrap it up. That should just about do it. I'll leave this for a couple hours and see how it does. Okay, it's been a day. I let it sit overnight because I forgot about it. Feels pretty strong, but I'm not going to take a chance with that. I'm not going to sand this off either. I don't really care. But I am going to do like I did on the other side and add a wooden shim I just filed down nice and flat. I'm going to stick it up under this soft material here and then let it stick back past that crack and over this weak point here, and then I'll reinstall this little cover. Okay, now with that reinstalled, we'll just shove this piece back up over the shim I just installed. And there we go. It's back to its normal shape, nice and strong on each side. Hopefully it won't break down the road, but if it does, I'll just replace those shims. Thanks for watching.